Hello, everybody, and welcome to day 3. So, the first 2 days, broad strokes. Then we're talking about what the elements are. Today, we're going to take the list that you created and sort that into wants versus needs. So, needs are, if you are a single mom and you have 2 kids, then you're going to need a bedroom for you, a bedroom for each of your kids, a certain number of bathrooms, depending on whether you have girls or not. And you'll have the elements. Those are things you absolutely need in order to have your dream home, in order to be able to function in day-to-day life. Then wants comes into options. Like, I need a room because I'm super into, personally, I like to build models. So I want to have a space to be able to, that I can set up, and, building a model may take me a few weeks. So I want to be able to have a space where I can leave things set up and not have to worry about it having to be moved and stuff and getting screwed up. You may be a writer and you want to have a space where you're dedicated to writing and you're able to have research or different things set up so that you're able to go ahead when you sit down to write, you're able to get right to it. You may be super into entertaining, so you're going to want to have a space that where you're able to entertain in the way that you like to entertain. But those different things are going to get prioritized then into the wants list and the needs list. The needs list are going to be the things that you absolutely have to have. The wants, maybe you want an extra room for whenever family stops over. Maybe you want certain things that will make life just a little bit sweeter to live, and those are going to be in your wants list. So, and then tomorrow what we're going to do is we're going to take those lists. Then the needs are going to definitely be up on the top, but the wants we're going to prioritize and start to narrow the focus so that we can really nail down what your dream home is going to look like when we go to create specifications. So tomorrow, we're going to go ahead and prioritize that list. So get it ready. See you then.